Yes, Hisense smart TVs are vulnerable to viruses and malware, just like other internet-connected devices. This is because they use operating systems like Vita OS, Hisense's proprietary system, or Android TV, which connects them to the internet and makes them susceptible to cyber threats. While not inherently virus-prone, risks arise from outdated software, weak passwords, and third-party apps. Keep in mind that while vulnerable, these risks can be managed with proper care. In 2025, Hisense released firmware updates for models like the U8H and Q8H series to address vulnerabilities that allowed remote code execution. These updates fixed flaws, including a buffer overflow in the media player that could be exploited to install malware. Staying updated is crucial. First, enable automatic software updates on your Hisense TV to ensure vulnerabilities are patched promptly. This prevents malware from exploiting outdated firmware. Second, use strong, unique passwords for your Wi-Fi network and any accounts linked to the TV. Weak passwords are a common entry point for hackers. Third, avoid connecting your TV to public Wi-Fi networks, which can expose it to man-in-the-middle attacks and other threats. Stick to secure home networks. Fourth, consider installing reputable security software compatible with Android TV. This adds an extra layer of protection against malware. Fifth, disable unused features like voice assistants if you don't need them. These can be exploited by malware for eavesdropping or control. The trend in smart TV security is moving towards proactive, AI-enhanced defenses to combat rising IoT threats. It's predicted that by 2026, a large majority of smart TVs will include built-in antivirus scanning. Hisense is adopting zero-trust architectures in newer models, verifying every app and update before it executes, reducing infection risks. In 2024, security researchers at Check Point discovered a critical vulnerability in Hisense's Android TV platform. This flaw allowed hackers to install malware by exploiting compromised streaming apps, affecting millions of units worldwide. Hisense released a patch in the third quarter of 2024 to address this issue. Although not specific to Hisense, the Mirai botnet serves as a prime example of how weak default passwords can compromise smart TVs. Originating in 2016, Mirai infected over 500,000 IoT devices, including TVs, by scanning for default credentials. Infected devices became part of a botnet used for massive DDoS attacks. A smaller-scale revival in 2025 targeted Hisense models via unsecured ports. These vulnerabilities often stem from user behavior, particularly sideloading apps. Sideloading bypasses official app stores, allowing installation of potentially malicious software. On Android TV platforms like those used by Hisense, this practice increases infection risk through unauthorized apps that may contain malware or spyware. Cybersecurity experts emphasize prevention over cure. They recommend treating your smart TV like a smartphone, ensuring it stays updated and secure through regular firmware updates and strong security practices. Statistics show that a significant percentage of smart TV owners have encountered malware attempts, with Norton reporting that 40% have faced such incidents. Vigilance is key to keeping your Hisense TV safe from these threats. Looking ahead, Hisense is planning to integrate quantum-resistant encryption in future TV models. This advanced security measure will help protect against emerging threats from quantum computing, which could break traditional encryption methods. Additionally, users should be cautious of rising AI-driven attacks. One example is deepfake phishing, where artificial intelligence creates realistic fake voices to target voice control features on smart TVs. Attackers can use this to steal personal data or gain unauthorized access. Finally, remember that neglecting basic security measures can have serious consequences. A vulnerable smart TV could become a gateway for attackers to breach your entire home network, potentially accessing other connected devices, stealing personal information, or using your network for malicious purposes. To stay safe, keep your TV updated, use strong passwords, and remain vigilant against new threats.